Hey guys, it's me, Ozamar, and today we are gonna check out my Fidget. So first thing, we have this crap puppet that I got from my school. So let's pop it. Pop it. Pop it. So we're popping. And then we pop the other side, and it makes noises. So that was a cool puppet. Let's put it right there. And now we have these tubes that can go big to small. And it can make music. And I know how to put it back. You just push it really hard and it comes back to his normal size. Okay, so that was fun. And then we have this Fidget cube. I'm trying to solve this. So that's cool, and it makes noises, see? So that was fun. And now let's see this one. I think you just pop them like that, and mix it up. So, and then you can try to solve it. Okay, I'm gonna try to solve this. So first we put the blue and red, and then black right there, yellow right there, green right there. Put that one there, that one there. Let's see if it's all solved. It's all solved, guys. So that was fun too. Let's put it right there. It's going away. Let's put it. Okay. And then we have this, that it's like, whoa, it has 2 layers on it. Whoa, and it does too. Whoa, it's cool. Look, guys. I'm not breaking it. It's just cool thing that it can do. And look, guys, it turns to this. A big, spiky ball. And I think when you do it like this, when it connects, it's opening. It goes like this. That's super cool. Oh, and you can do this. Whoa, that's so cool. Wow. Look, it's a Christmas meme. So that was cool. Now let's check out some more pops. Ooh, this one's a rainbow puppet. Let's pop it. Ooh, it's making noise, guys. Guys, let's do a rainbow. So first, let's pop purple, orange, yellow, blue, teal, like a dark blue, and then pop these, and then pop the yellows, and pop the teals, and pop dark blues, and pop these blues and purples. That was a fun toy. And now let's check out, ooh, this is a rainbow bear. Let's see, let's pop it. Somewhere popping. Let's try to swap it. Guys, look. This one makes some noise too. That was fun, and it's a bear, rainbow bear. Now let's check out this green puppet. This is my favorite puppet. Puppet. So this is one. Actually, I'm gonna pop it a little bit later, guys, because I want to finish it. Pop. And now we are gonna. Ooh, this is another one, but it's blue. Let's pop it. Pop. This is a hard one. Yeah. Don't do this one. Ooh, this one is much fun side. Funner. some colors that are 2 and 1. Let's try to do this. Here. So we're going to do this fast so we can get the other one. So first we're going to do these. Ooh, it makes noise. These. Okay, so here's the others. This is a, whatever this is. This is
a pineapple.
A pineapple. And let's pop it. Oh, and it has little pineapples right there. Let's pop it. This one makes noise too. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 the pineapple. Ooh, I think this is the much fun side that makes a really pop sound. Yep, it is. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. So that was fun. And now we're gonna show this car. Whoa, it can do like this. Ooh, and it can stretch. Oh, we're gonna do like this. Ooh, when you do like this, it goes like a big car. Whoa. It's like a drive. It's like a motorcycle too. I think they do like this. Oh, if you do like this, it's like you're upside down. And it can be like this. Whoa, that was cool. And it has little stars. And little polka dots. And little smileys like this. So that's and then we have this pink slinky that I got. It's so cool and it's so dreamy and it's so cool to slink. Oh, do you see those curly things? I never knew that. Wow. So this is a cool toy too. And then we have this big poppeter. It's like this. It has 2 and then you pop them and then you pop them over and over again. So that's a cool toy. And bye guys, bye Carolina, and bye Kevin, and bye Delaney. Comment down below if you like my videos because I'm doing more on comment. Bye guys!